Before diving into the exciting news about Doctor Who, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered what it feels like to travel through time and space? In 2025, fans of the beloved series Doctor Who will be thrilled to know that the show is making a grand return on both Disney Plus and BBC. Um, the buzz is that the premiere date may have slipped out a bit early, igniting excitement among fans. This year, Disney Plus has been steadily adding Doctor Who episodes, and with fresh specials and seasons, anticipation is building. I can hardly wait to hop back into the TARDIS alongside Ncuti Gatwa for another round of mind-bending adventures. Recently, a live broadcast on BBC hinted that the second season of Doctor Who is set to debut on Saturday, April 12th. This revelation came during a rugby match where the announcement caught many by surprise. Fans can expect weekly episodes available on BBC iPlayer and BBC One in the UK and Ireland, while Disney Plus will stream them for viewers in other regions. The accidental reveal of the premiere date has fans buzzing with excitement. In addition to the premiere date, the BBC confirmed that Christopher Chung, known for his role in Slow Horses, will join the cast for season 2. The upcoming season promises to feature some of the most thrilling and challenging episodes yet. Showrunner Russell T Davies has teased that season 2 will take viewers on exhilarating journeys to a terrifying planet and the vibrant city of Miami. He assures fans that this new season is arriving sooner than they might think, as fans eagerly await the return of Doctor Who. They have been aware of its 2025 comeback for some time. Davies had previously mentioned that a script was delivered for airing in May 2025, building anticipation for the new adventures. After season 2, the Honeyverse will expand with a spin-off series titled The War Between the Land and the Sea. This new storyline will introduce a formidable creature from the ocean, prompting Unit to take action against it. The spin-off will feature familiar faces like Russell Tovey and Gugu Mbatha Raw, alongside returning characters from the Unit team. However, the exact release date for this spin-off remains uncertain, with production wrapping up in December 2024. Davies has shared that the overall plan for Doctor Who includes 3 specials, 2 full seasons, and a 5-episode spin-off, totaling 26 episodes. This ambitious plan follows his successful revival of the series in 2005. While the future of Doctor Who remains a topic of speculation, the BBC has stated that the decisions regarding season 3 will be made after season 2 airs. Fans are hopeful for more adventures, but the collaboration with Disney Plus is still in question. If Disney were to step back, the BBC might have to shoulder the funding for Doctor Who alone, which could impact the show's budget. Regardless, with season 2 set to air from April to May, decisions about its future will likely unfold in a summer. For now, Doctor Who is available on Disney Plus in most regions, except for the UK and Ireland, where it remains exclusive to BBC iPlayer. And remember, if you ever find yourself in a time machine, just make sure to avoid any paradoxes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.